What's up, everybody? It's your man, Cute Man, back with another video, one sure to change your life for good and help you achieve the life of your dream. Today, we're going big and uncovering the top 10 habits absolutely crushing your success. Listen up, because we're not just pointing fingers here. We're giving you the tools to break free and become the legends you're destined to be. Buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the habits holding you back from ultimate awesomeness. Alright guys, let's talk about the silent assassin of success, procrastination. You know that feeling, right? That little voice in your head saying, nah, we'll do it tomorrow while you binge watch cat videos instead? Yeah, that's the procrastination monster, and it's here to crush your dreams. But fear not, my friends, because we're about to drop kick this bad boy to the curb.
First things first, we gotta set those deadlines. And not just any deadlines, we're talking about concrete, non-negotiable dates that'll make you break a sweat just thinking about them. Trust me, a little urgency goes a long way.
Next up, let's break down those mammoth tasks into bite-sized pieces. Think of it like eating a giant pizza. You wouldn't try to stuff the whole thing in your mouth at once, right? Okay, bad example, because I totally would. But you get the point. Small, manageable steps, my friends.
Now let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Pomodoro technique. We're talking 25 minutes of laser-focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat, baby.
Listen up, dreamers and visionaries. If you're wandering through life without goals, you're like a ship without a rudder, just drifting aimlessly in a sea of mediocrity. And let's be real, nobody wants to be mediocre, right? We're going for legendary status here.
So, how do we escape the clutches of aimlessness? By setting goals, my friends. And not just any goals, we're talking about SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Think of it like this. If your goal is to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops, that's not very achievable, is it? But if you set a goal to learn the basics of mountaineering, find a qualified guide and train for a year, now that's a SMART goal.
Remember, your goals are your roadmap to success. They're the guiding stars that keep you on track when the going gets tough. Write them down, post them everywhere, and revisit them regularly to stay motivated and focused.
And here's a little secret. Your goals can evolve. As you grow and change, your aspirations might shift too, and that's totally okay. The important thing is to have that roadmap in place, constantly guiding you towards your best self.
Okay, let's talk about the big, scary F word, failure. Yeah, I said it. We all fear it, but here's the thing. Failure is not the enemy. In fact, it's often our greatest teacher. Think of it like this. Every time you stumble, you have a chance to learn, grow, and come back stronger.
The problem isn't failure itself, it's how we let it define us. Unsuccessful people see failure as a dead end, while successful people see it as a detour on the road to greatness. It's all about perspective, my friends.
So, how do we reframe failure from something terrifying into something empowering? First, we gotta embrace the learning opportunity. When you make a mistake, don't beat yourself up about it. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And how can I do better next time?
Next, remember that every successful person has a collection of epic fails under their belt. It's part of the journey. So the next time you're feeling discouraged, remember that you're in good company. And most importantly, never let fear paralyze you. Take risks, step outside your comfort zone, and remember that even if you stumble, you're still moving forward.
Chapter 4. Neglecting personal development. Don't be a fossil. Alright, my fellow knowledge seekers, let's talk about personal development, the secret sauce to unlocking your full potential. Now, you might be thinking personal development sounds boring. But trust me, this stuff is life-changing. It's about constantly evolving, expanding your horizons, and becoming the most epic version of yourself. Unsuccessful people often hit the brakes on learning after school, thinking they know it all. But here's the truth. Life is a never-ending classroom, and the more you learn, the more you realize how much you don't know. So, how do we become lifelong learners? First off, read. Books are like portals to different worlds, perspectives, and ideas. Make it a habit to devour knowledge, like it's your favorite snack. Next up, embrace the power of online courses. From coding to cooking, there's a course for everything these days. It's like having a personal tutor at your fingertips, ready to teach you any skill imaginable. And don't underestimate the power of mentorship. Find someone you admire, someone who's already achieved what you aspire to do, and soak up their wisdom like a sponge. Chapter 5. Negative thinking, the mental buzzkill. Let's be real for a second. Our thoughts have superpowers. They can either lift us up or drag us down. And if you're constantly bombarded by negative self-talk, it's like having a mental buzzkill following you around, raining on your parade.
It's time to unleash the power of positive affirmations. Start each day by looking in the mirror and saying something positive about yourself, even if you don't quite believe it yet. Fake it till you make it, my friends. Next, surround yourself with positive, supportive people. And when those negative thoughts creep in, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? And what's a more positive way to look at this situation? Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts, so choose wisely.
Time management. Stop wasting your precious life. We all have the same 24 hours. The difference? Successful people master time management. They treat time like a precious commodity. Unsuccessful people, they waste it. Scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows.
Get a planner, calendar, or app. Schedule your day like a boss. Prioritize tasks. Say no to distractions. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. You'll be more efficient.
Chapter 7. Avoiding responsibility. The blame game backfires. Let's talk about personal responsibility, that magical quality that separates those who make excuses from those who make things happen. Unsuccessful people, they love to play the blame game. It's always someone else's fault, never theirs. The traffic made me late. My dog ate my homework. The universe is conspiring against me. Sound familiar? Here's the deal. Blaming others might feel good in the moment, but it's a recipe for disaster in the long run. It keeps you stuck in a cycle of negativity and prevents you from taking control of your life. Successful people, on the other hand, they own their mistakes. They understand that every experience, good or bad, is an opportunity for growth. So, how do we break free from the blame game? It's simple. Take responsibility for your actions. When you mess up, own it. Don't make excuses. Don't point fingers. Just acknowledge your role in the situation and commit to doing better next time. Remember, every mistake is a chance to learn and grow. Embrace those lessons and watch how your life transforms. Consistency is the secret sauce to achieving any goal. Some people start strong but fizzle out quickly. Successful people know success is a marathon, not a sprint. They show up daily, building habits one step at a time. Create a schedule and stick to it. Celebrate small wins and keep pushing forward. Listen up, my friends. The company you keep has a huge impact on your success. Seriously, it's like having superpowers, either the good kind that make you unstoppable, or the evil kind that drain your energy and leave you feeling defeated. Unsuccessful people often surround themselves with negative influences. You know the type, the energy vampires who suck the joy out of everything, the doubters who tell you your dreams are impossible, the crabs in a bucket who try to pull you down with them. But here's the good news. You have the power to choose your crew. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who lift you up, encourage you, and inspire you to be your best self. Think of it like this. Your vibe attracts your tribe. So if you want to be surrounded by greatness, you got to start by embodying those qualities yourself. And remember, it's okay to outgrow certain friendships. Sometimes people are meant to be in our lives for a season, and that's okay. Let go of relationships that no longer serve you and make space for new connections that align with your values and aspirations. All right, my fellow adventurers, let's talk about change, that scary, unpredictable force. Change is inevitable. If you're clinging to your comfort zone, you'll get left behind. Unsuccessful people resist change, but change is the catalyst for growth and new opportunities. Embrace change instead of fearing it. See it as a chance to learn and evolve. Stepping outside your comfort zone is where the magic happens. Lean on your support system and embrace change. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. There you have it, my friends. The 10 habits holding you back from achieving your wildest dreams. But remember, breaking these habits won't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of self-awareness. Start by identifying one habit you want to change and focus on making small, consistent improvements each day. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning and growing. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more epic content, and share this video with your friends. And remember, you've got this. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality.